Hi, I'm Marisa. Today I'm going to show you how to draw any map in freehand easily. Perfectionism was one thing I had a lot to struggle tackling in my art journey. So I always found ways to draw something precisely, and it took away the joy of creating. I'm sharing with you some steps that I follow in creating interesting maps. First is that you draw a horizontal and a vertical line which will stay as the base line of the map. Mostly, this will be the mid area of the map. I draw parallel lines to these base lines depending on the map. If the map has some areas that's projecting to one side or has any particular shape in any side, it's better to give these extra lines, which will act as a guide in placing them later. Once the guides are placed, you can start drawing out a rough shape of the map by drawing the areas that stands out in the outline. Drawing the outline of the map will be much more easier once you draw the areas that stand apart. The idea here is to create the rough map look as precisely as possible to the original reference. The guidelines actually help you to create the map as closely as possible to the reference. You can draw as many guidelines as you want depending on the map you draw. When it comes to coloring, I like to paint the maps in their physical form with plateaus, seas, river, forest. You can color them in any way you want. You can go monochromatically or you can give just an outline. It's up to you. To give a warm tone for the painting, I am washing the entire map with a tinge of yellow ochre. Before the paper dries out completely, we can start painting the main areas with a mix of burnt sienna and yellow ochre. Make sure to leave some spaces as it is. This will give an extra dimension to the painting. I had drawn this map of Germany in my sketchbook in preparation to my next travel. Once the painting is dried completely, mix the burnt sienna with a little bit of Payne's grey and give some dark shades in the brown areas. We will repeat the same with the green, and this time, instead of using the Payne's grey, we are going to mix indigo with the green. If the map you have drawn is surrounded by water bodies Only then paint the water with turquoise blue. Once the shade of blue is dried, I mix a bit of indigo with the turquoise blue to give that extra shadows and depth to the water body. You can leave the map as it is or include the main topography of the land like the mountain, plateaus, highlands, etc. You can add more details like the neighboring countries, the rivers, or the famous landscapes in the map. It's totally up to you on how you want to finish it. The main intention of this video was to teach you how to draw any maps effortlessly with just a few guidelines and painting them almost close to the real ones. If you really find this video useful, please leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.